London Film Festival and to tonight's screening of White Noise, which screens as one of our headline galas. We are so delighted to have this film as part of the festival. It is so joyful and fun, which is not necessarily something you would expect that's about a man's crippling fear of death, but there you go, that's Noah Baumbach for you. This film shows the director going from height to height in his career as he continues to experiment with genre and style to create what's sure to be a cult film out of a cult novel. To introduce the film and the team behind it, please welcome to the stage Noah Baumbach.
Hi, thank you very much. I have a little introduction, but I'm going to introduce some of our collaborators who are here with us before I pull that out of my coat. We have our wonderful producer and hometown boy, David Heyman. Have hometown girl, amazing actress, plays Denise in the movie, Raffi Cassidy. We have the amazing, amazing Jodie Turner-Smith. And we have my collaborator in everything, and brilliant filmmaker and actress again after a little bit of time off in our movie tonight. We have Greta Gerwig. I want to say that we were very, very pleased to be showing White Noise in London because Greta and I mean, for many reasons, we love this festival. We always love coming here. Greta and I actually lived here for quite some time this year and loved being here, and our 3-year-old developed a very bad British accent. Although, to make up for it, David Heyman has a wonderful British accent. And Jodie and Raffi, as you'll see in the movie, have wonderful American accents in the movie. This movie really is about how crazy life is in America right now, so you can all feel very good by comparison. I want to thank Grace for the introduction, thank you, and Trisha and everybody at the London Film Festival for hosting us. All my friends and collaborators at Netflix who continue to make movies that nobody else is making. And thank you all for coming out to see the movie. Enjoy it, and maybe you'll see how crazy it is over there, because really nobody's telling you, but it's out of control. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.